I am at 1413 Southeast 13th Terrace in front of this gorgeous house with newly remodeled kitchen, newly remodeled bathrooms, features a roof that's only a couple years old, an AC unit, a brand new AC unit, only a couple years old as well. Great location right off Del Prado, close to a lot of shopping, close to a lot of many of the other attractions that Southwest Florida has to offer. Check this one out. It's a beauty. Check out this video.